Now let us see the problem number 40. This is 46 is there, student. How can you be able to solve this problem, student? 46 number. So if you are going to solve this problem, student, you see geminal, vicinal and geminal. This is there, student. That is what they are saying. Vicinal and geminal dihalide can be distinguished by. First option is alcoholic KOH is there. Aqueous KOH. And second number is there alcoholic KOH. Third is zinc dust is there. Okay, student. So dear student, first of all we have to understand, okay, first of all, that is alcoholic KOH is there na, it will give the elimination product, elimination. So elimination, but elimination to both the cases what will come, student? Both the cases it will come, that is alkene will form, student. Both the cases alkene will form. So you cannot distinguish. Zinc dust, it will give alkane, student, alkanes. So it will also be not used, student. But alcoholic KOH, one is there is one is it will give aldehyde, student, aldehydes, and another is giving ketones. Okay, so in the two cases this can be distinguished. Okay, so correct option is option number 1, student. That is, how can you distinguish? That is the aldehyde and ketones, that is vicinal and geminal halide, with the help of what, student? With the help of, that is, reaction with aqueous KOH. Now next one is there, question is there, student. The next question, little the slides came. Question number next is there, student. An alkyl halide may be converted into alcohol. Okay, so how can you convert alkyl halide into alcohol? So this one is a 47, student. So when you are going to alkyl halide, suppose CH3 CH2OH is there, student. So if you want to alkyl halide, okay, alkyl halide, sorry. So alkyl halide is there, student. Here is Cl, CH2Cl. So how you convert into alcohol, student? You can treat with the NaOH. So it will get CH3 CH2 and OH. So this is what this is, student. This reaction is from here to, this is known as substitution reaction. Substitution reaction. So what could be the correct option, student? You can come down and you check the option, student, for this one. If you want to check the option, student, so there is the substitution is there. So correct option is option number B, student. Now let us move the another 48 number problem, student. What the 48 is saying? Dehydrohalogenation in alkanes, haloalkanes produces. Okay, so firstly dehydrohalogenation. So both things, if you are removing, student, suppose we are having, so CH3 CH2 and Cl is there. So if you are removing what, student? Minus Cl, okay, and you also see my HCl, you are hydrogen and chlorine you are removing. So what you will get, student? CH2 double bond CH2. So that is what will form, student. That is correct option will be option number B. A double bond will form, student. Okay, now let us move another option, question, student. Question number, when you are going, next question is there, student. What is next question is question number, okay, it was the double bond. Next question is 49. Methylene chloride on hydrolysis. Methylene chloride on hydrolysis, it give the formaldehyde, student. Okay, methylene chloride on hydrolysis, it give the formaldehyde, student. You can check with the option also. How can you draw that one? CH2, Cl2. So if you are reacting with the two, HOH, right, student? So what is the firstly? Firstly it will not 2 mole, student. That is the only one water molecule. So that is, this will form, that is HCl will be coming out, student, minus HCl. So what will left out, student? HCHO. Okay, HCHO will form, student. So correct option will be, correct option will be option number 1. Okay, student. Acha, next one problem, when you are going, student, problem number 50. What is problem number 50, student? You check it out. The order of reactivity of methyl halide in the formation of Grignard reagent. So that is, we know that this will be the idomethane, bromomethane, and this is the larger the bond, more reactivity. So that is 3I is having largest site, so more reactive. So correct option will be option number A, student. I'm not going in detail, but option number A. Now let us move with the another problem number 51. So problem number, I'm treating with mixture with two alkyl halide. Suppose 2XY is there, halide with sodium metal. Okay, that is what you are taking, student, sodium metal. Okay, in the dry ether also you are taking dry ether. Okay, so what you are getting, student, you are getting 2 methyl propane. It is giving 2 methyl propane, right? So when you are getting 2 methyl propane means what, student? That is CH3, CH3, and this is the CH3. So this is the 2 methyl propane. This is the 2 methyl propane. How can you get this, student? When you are treating student with the sodium. So sodium reaction with the sodium metal is what, student? This is the, if you are taking sodium with metal, so it is the Woods reaction, student. This is the Woods reaction. This reaction is Woods reaction. Now how can you get, student? You break any of the bond here. Okay, so one will be what, student? If you are treating CH3, CH, and here is Cl, and here is CH3, plus you can take again CH, Cl, CH3, Cl. So this Cl will be coming out. Okay, so these 2 Cl will be coming out, 2 sodium metal. So minus 2 NaCl. So what will be there, student? CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. So correct option will be, that is 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2 chloropropane and chloromethane. So 2 chloropropane and chloromethane. Option number A is the correct, student. Option number A is the correct option, student. You can check it out. Okay, option number A is, this is the correct option, student. Okay, now let us move the question number 52. What are the other question number 52, student? Let me check out question number 52. So if you talk about question number 52, this is the question number 52. So dear student, if you take the 52 question, so they are saying that the IUPAC name of the compound. Okay, this is the compound, they are saying IUPAC name. So if you write here is CH, right, student? You take little different CH, and here is the 2 CH3 group are there, CH3 and CH3. And then what is there, student? If you see, this is the CH only. Another is there again, CH2 and Br, right? So here is bromo is there, so we will start numbering from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the 1 bromo? This will be, that is 1 bromo, and what will be there, student? Meth, 8, pro, but. 1 bromo butane, 1 bromo, 2, 3 methyl butane. 1 bromo, it will be 1 bromo, 3 methyl, what is, student? Butane. 1 bromo, 3 methyl butane. So let us see where is the option, student. Option number D is the correct option, student. Now let us move another question, problem number 53. Okay, so if you are taking the problem number 53, student, what could be our answer here in problem number 53? You can check out. So 53 is saying the given reaction is example of, the given reaction is example. So what is there? C2H5Br plus, what is, student? Plus KCN. Okay, and this is the aqueous, so it will give, the aqueous will give, student, what it will give? Aqueous will give that substitution reaction. So KBr will be out, student, and it will give C2H5 and Cn. So this reaction will, what is the substitution reaction, student? This substitution, what kind of substitution? This is Cn is minus is nucleophile. So correct option will be nucleophilic substitution reaction. Option number B is the correct option, student. Now let us move the problem number 54. So what is the problem number 54, student? Okay, you check with the problem number 54. Which one of the following compound reacts with chlorobenzene? Okay, which one of the following compounds react with chlorobenzene to produce, what is, produce DDT? Okay, very good question, student. So how we produce DDT, student? How we produce DDT? So generally we treat with the trichloroacetaldehyde. When you are treating trichloroacetaldehyde with chlorobenzene, so we got the DDT. The correct option is option number D, student. Now question number 55, student, what is there? Question number 55. So chloroform on reaction with concentrated HNO3. So CHCl3 on reaction with HNO3. This is taking concentrated. So what it is giving student? Okay, so let us write in the detail explain. That is C, we can write here, chloroform. How can we write, student? C, here is the, this is hydrogen, chlorine, 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 and this is the OH and NO2. This hydrogen and this water molecule will be coming out, so it will be minus H2O, right? So what is left out, student? It will be left out, here is Cl, this is Cl, this is Cl, and here is what, student? This is NO2. Okay, this compound is known as what, student? This is the tear gas. Tear gas. Okay, industrially it is very important gas, and act as a, this is used as a what, used as a insecticide. Okay, it is used as an insecticide. Okay, insecticides. What is name, student? What is the name of this one? This name is the chloropicrine. Chloropicrine. Okay, chloropicrine. So correct option will be option number, you see, student. Option number is A, chloropicrine. So 55 question, option number A is correct. Thank you so much for watching, friends.